On today's episode of Tila Takes Over, I'm going to teach you how to decorate around your TV. This is the first video in a multi-episode series, so make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss anything and follow along for all kinds of DIY home improvement tips from an ex-lady tradie turned designer. Have you ever noticed that in home magazines, TVs just don't exist? Has that made you think that a magazine-worthy room is out of your reach if you have a TV? If you're anything like me, and while the majority of people in North America, removing the TV from the room you're decorating just isn't an option. Maybe you've even spent a lot of time and money trying to decorate around your TV, but it still just ends up looking like a TV with a bit of art beside it? Trust me, I've been there. After you watch this video, you'll be able to decorate around your TV like a pro with just a little planning and some smart hanging, and maybe a few other tricks too. We are starting this project with basically a completely blank slate. The TV is at the height the family prefers, and as you can see, there's a vanity in the space with a mirror that leans up against the wall. We need to work out a plan that keeps a mirror in the area so the client can continue to use the vanity. I headed out to the local home decor store, bringing the pillow from the bedding and a paint chip of the accent wall on the other side of the room to ensure everything would coordinate with the overall palette. Starting with a blank slate can sometimes save time. I could lay out the pieces in store to ensure they work together. The scale of art you're looking for will depend on the wall space. Here we're working with a smaller area, so I needed several medium-sized pieces, all around the same size, to create a cohesive gallery look around the TV. I bought more pieces than I needed, as the final decision would be made based on what actually worked in the space once I got back. If you're loving what you've seen so far, drop a decor in the comments and I'll send you a link to my exclusive DIY decor guide. Next step, planning your gallery wall. A good place to start is by laying out the pieces before installing. Generally, I recommend doing this on the floor, but when you've got a large TV in the mix, it can be a little tricky. The goal is to create balance with the art while downplaying the TV in the space. Don't forget to do a little dance when you think you've nailed your plan. When you're installing, start with your anchor pieces. The placement of these will set the tone and spacing for the rest of the layout. The homeowner helped me secure everything so that we could finish the project in just one day. As we were getting close to finishing the TV wall, I realized the placement of the mirror gave me a chance to add more decor to the wall next to the vanity. This was perfect because I love to incorporate at least one very personal piece. Once that side was done, it was time to finish the final details for the big reveal. I love incorporating an objet into the gallery wall when a ledge is present, just to add some more dimension. Since this client has 2 kids under 2, I kept the pieces small, sturdy, and simple. And there you have it, a beautifully decorated wall that happens to have a TV on it. Let me know how you think it turned out in the comments and what you want to see next. Be sure to like and subscribe for more DIY tips from an ex-lady tradie turned designer.